Storm Friederik's passage across Europe has caused havoc and presented a special challenge for pilots landing at Düsseldorf airport. With winds of over 200 kilometres an hour, at least 9 people have died, including 5 in Germany, as powerful winds toppled trees, blew trucks off the road and forced the cancellation of hundreds of flights. In the west of the country, 41 people were injured in weather-related traffic accidents. The storm has now swept across Poland, leaving 2 injured and tens of thousands of residents without power. In the hardest hit areas of South Poland, wind speeds topped 100 kilometres an hour and snow-covered roads triggered many traffic accidents. Drivers in Scotland have been urged to avoid travelling unless absolutely necessary in some areas as high winds and snow hit the UK, causing chaos across transport networks. Dozens of schools have been closed and public transport disrupted by the weather.